How to fix Roblox memory jump error. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Roblox memory jump error. To fix it, so make sure to close the Roblox application completely. After which, what you want to do is here, you want to locate Roblox Player, right click on the mouse and go to properties. Come to the compatibility tab, so make sure that compatibility mode and run this program as an administrator is selected. Click on apply, click OK. Now then check whether the issue is being solved or not. However, if the issue still persists on, tap on the search bar at the bottom, type in run, open this up and then type in %local app data %, click OK. And next thing you want to do is here, you want to click or select any file and on the search bar type in Roblox. And when you locate Roblox, right click on the mouse and then click on show more options and then go ahead and click on delete. Once you confirm this and as you could see, I've deleted the following cycle, and this is how you should be able to fix your issue. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.